we gonna go do today, guys?
Go fishing!
Yes, and not just go fishing, but a fishing derby. And if you don't know what that is, it's like a fishing contest for the kids.
Yep.
I used to be really good at this when I was younger. Like, I used to win. There was one fishing derby where I won the biggest fish, the most fish, and the smallest fish. Like, I cleared out my division, guys. Like, very proud of our mad fishing skills for Olivia and I. Dads are really good putting at worms on hooks.
Yep.
He enjoys fishing. He's a good
That's what I
fishing
do.
dad.
Yep.
How about you, Jesse? Are you excited to go fishing?
Yeah.
Can you show some enthusiasm, something here besides just a teenage boy attitude? FYI, it's 2 days later, and we're at 185,000.
About ready to add more.
And we're getting ready to go on another trip. I mean, this one's not as far. It's only 2 hours drive down there,
Yep.
and 2 hours drive back. We travel a lot in the car,
Probably too much.
but we like it. So if you didn't see our last video, yes, we stopped and got Starbucks. That should be no surprise if you've seen any of our other videos. But
I like Starbucks.
if you didn't see our last video, we gave you the best car travel tips, guys, for minimalists. Like, this isn't like directions. We really don't need the directions. We just do it for time and traffic. Traffic? Traffics?
Traffic. There's traffics.
Those
out
directions are great for traffic if you're in a city or exiting a city or interstate, things like that. Those are great. If you didn't see our last video, we gave you the best travel tips for the car to keep it very minimal and not pack a whole bunch of extra junk. Unlike the last where we're driving 10 hours in one day, we're only going 2 hours down, 2 hours back on a one-day trip, so 4 hours in the car. Olivia has food for her, and that's only because she has food allergies, so she's limited on what she can eat. And she brought her giant stuffed animal. That she got from her big dance sister at the last dance competition.
Which is yesterday.
And how'd you guys do?
So good! This is so cute.
First place
And it
again.
was very nice of her.
It was so nice that your big dance sister. They got first place again, so well done, girls.
Good, yeah.
I just saw a big splash right there.
You did?
Yeah.
That's probably
I think I saw a fish right there.
Big fish.
Yeah. Now watch my bubble moving.
Jesse, it went under.
Daddy, my bubble's moving. That one.
Jesse.
We're moving.
What?
Do you think we should try it again?
I think give it one more reel in. Give it a turn. Turn. Okay.
Reel it in a little bit.
Yeah, give it a minute.
Oh, wow.
Yeah!
Ooh.
Sizable one.
Papa, we got one. We got one.
Here you go. Hold the string.
Mommy, I don't want
Don't
to.
pay attention to yours.
Oh, here, hold the ball. You see the ball right there? Hold the ball. Yep.
It's a heavy one.
Show Daddy.
Yeah. That's a big one.
On the other
Olivia.
side there, Jesse.
Yeah.
Just do it.
Just do it.
You do it. Mine was 8 inches.
There's a fish right here. Somebody got a bobber under right there.
Yeah, if you look right in front of that bobber,
Mm-hmm.
you look right on the edge of the sea.
Here, fishy fish. Here, fishy fish.
Get it, Jesse.
tiny.
Get it, get it.
What, dude?
We'll clean it off and get it. Aw, look at your little fish. He's so cute.
Those are spiky.
So cute.
Are you having fun, Olivia?
Give that to Daddy so you can put a worm on.
Pull, pull. Pull. Pull it. Reel it in. Get up there. Come on. Get up there. Reel it in.
Oh,
Reel it in. Reel it in, Olivia. Reel it in all the way. Oh, so
you
close.
stole all your worms.
Are you just feeding the fishes
Put the rest
today?
of it in.
Still have the worm.
Dude,
She got excited.
ah,
Oh,
nice.
you got a little catfish, Jessie.
Look at that little guy.
Oh,
He's so cute.
it's so cute. I love it. It's so cute.
Okay, I would like some help, like measuring it at the place.
Little chicken?
I don't know how to hear one of these guys.
As a catfish. You can't be a chicken.
Right there.
Look at the little guy.
I do need the pliers.
No, look my eye.
I've seen catfish before, but never. But never.
Are you having fun?
Yeah, and Jessie got a catfish, which is so cute.
He got the cutest little fish, didn't he?
I still got a worm too.
Yes, I said okay.
Did you have fun, Olivia? How much fun?
So much.
Come here.
How about you, Jessie?
Down further?
Rod.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a fishing derby. Oh, is my nose sunburnt? My nose is all pink. I'm gonna get sunburned. We tried really hard, guys. We did good with sunscreen, but our noses, what you gonna do? Did you have fun, Jessie? Yeah. Olivia's out cold, hanging on to her ticket. Dad won a gift card. That was super nice. So we didn't do bad. 3 fish. Olivia was 1 inch shy of placing. Jessie's fish were so little that we went ahead and hit the road before we figured out how big those fish were, but he caught 2. He did good. Did a good job. All right, there will be some more fishing this summer. Maybe not fishing derbies, but at least some fishing. So we put out new videos every single Tuesday. Hopefully this summer that'll stay the same. It might change some. We'll see. Got a lot going on. But we will see you guys next week. Bye.